We have Igbo language. Our topic says demonstrative adjectives versus demonstrative pronouns. Remember, adjective describes noun, Nkowaaha, while pronoun replaces noun, Nnochiaha. These are things that are many, but they are nearby. You call them Ndia in Igbo. Those plural things far away, you call them Ndiaho. Demo adjectives, English. These cars belong to Rejoice. Ụgbọala ndị a bụ nke Rejoice. These are Rejoice car. Ndị a bụ ụgbọala Rejoice. You can see that under demonstrative adjectives, the adjectives these and the car, now they are together. That is how it should be. Ụgbọala ndị ahụ ha nọkọta ọnụ igosi gị na ọ bụ Nkowaaha nrụaka. But in pronoun Nnochiaha, it is not like that. Look at pronoun this. Look at car, noun, under it. Second example, those. Remember, those are things in plural but far away. Those children are from my house. Look at adjective, those. Look at children. Now they are together. Ụmụaka ndị ahụ si n'ụlọ m. Under pronoun, you have them as those are children from my house. Look at those on top. Look at children under it. They are not together. Now change them in Igbo. Change them in Igbo. Sonyere anyị na Rejoice Chinwendu TV. Gbasara anyị ozi a ka ọ na-aga aga. Ndewonu.